Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your assets such as images and very soon video directly into your design file. The easiest way to do this is simply by dragging it directly from your desktop. For example, here's an image. I can simply drag and drop right on my canvas and we'll upload it. Once any asset is uploaded, you can find it on the libraries panel in the upload section. As you can see, here's my last image that I uploaded. You can see all of the other images that you uploaded here as well. And you can also upload an image directly into your uploads library. For example, we can click upload new asset and choose any image file that you like. This is a way to upload assets without directly adding it to the canvas. From here, you can drag anything you like onto the canvas. Now, the great thing about Glorify is you can also upload entire folders. For example, here's a folder of images. I can go to the folder and drag the entire folder into my canvas. Notice how it added all of the images directly in the canvas. This is a great way to be efficient and keep adding any assets you like with complete freedom. Finally, you can also upload images directly from your web browser by going to any page you need, right-clicking the image you want, copying the image on the web browser, and going to Glorify and hitting paste using your keyboard shortcut Command V. As you can see, the image has been pasted. For now, you can only upload images and SVGs, but very soon you'll be able to upload video, audio, and even fonts. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another tutorial.